This low pressure hydraulic line, it was leaking hydraulic fluid at these points. What I did, I cut the crimps using the grinder and I peeled them off, and I was able to remove this hose. What I discovered, at the end, they just formed the pipe and they put this shape into it to help keep the hose in place, and they use this to crimp the hose into the pipe. However, it was leak at all points. At this point, all of them. So what I did, I cut the ends where they formed the pipe, and this is thin pipe, it's only 40 thousandths of inch thick. I took 3/4 inch round stock and I machined it to the same diameter as this pipe. And I sharpened a high-speed tool and I put barb on the outside and I welded it to this pipe. None of them leak. I already tested them. I welded them with the flux core. I set it at the lowest setting and it worked out great. At this point, what they did, the shaft was soft or smooth. It didn't have any barb on it. They used this part, the crimping part, the metal, it was part of this. I had to cut it over here with the grinder. And what I did, I machined that 3/4 inch pipe or shaft, and I drilled it to make it into a pipe. And then I welded it to this shaft, and I put these barbs on it all the way on the lathe. And now I could use a new hose. I have this hose, it's way better than the original. It's high temperature, 300 PSI pressure, or the rating for it. And as you see, it's thicker and it has more fiber inside it, so it should be better. This is the original and this is the new one. And I'm going to put 2 hose clamps at each end so it doesn't leak. I'm going to paint them and then I'll install it on the truck and show you how it's operate. Hopefully I don't have no leak and this hose clamp will keep it in place. I think it will, because I have more area over here and I'm going to use 2 hose clamp. They should be better than this setup. This was a good idea and you save a lot of money. If you go build hydraulic hose, it will cost much. And I believe this way better than what they have originally on this truck. If you have lathe, you could build this barb easy. If not, you probably could buy brass barbs and brace them to this metal pipe, and then you could use this low pressure hydraulic hose and these hose clamps. I already tried it doesn't leak and it worked great. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Be safe and have a good day.